So this was the final product here, the final for this plumbing problem. I probably should cut that a little bit cleaner, but this is the old trap, P-trap, and I cut it down. I cut the 1.5 inch PVC pipe down to just above a 1/2 inch, just enough to slide this rubber union over the PVC pipe that was coming up out of this P-trap, and I've tightened it down with a big heavy duty screwdriver, and I'm going to make the other connection over here. And I already have it's a 1.5, I think it's a 1.5 or 1 inch NPT at, well, let's go over and look at it. So I got a 1.5 inch threaded NPT to the drain, and then down to a 1.5 inch PVC pipe connection. So I'm going to just bring this up here like this, and you can see like the white there that I'm making my connection, and then I will make the threaded connection here. I'll be spinning this on. Okay, so right now I'm just checking for leaks. The beauty is that on these Jaycos, the 2016, they have this real easy detachment here to check on this. Now I'll just stick that in there, and I just pulled it out. It was finish nailed. Easy to get into on the 2016 for the fixture, for the shower. But that's another subject. But right now I have this hooked up. Everything draining in there properly, Andrea? Yeah? Okay, so the water's going down the tub drain, and I'm not seeing any leaking right now. And I don't feel any wet, so I think we're pretty good shape. So this little rubber union really, and that little white NPT thread to 1.5 inch PVC pipe works. This is a good solution here for breakage in this pipe, which is what I had.